Mind-bending gate design is an optical illusion extending back into space. Oh, what? That's cool. So this is a flat gate that looks like, from a distance, looks like it's 3D.
Yeah.
But it's flat, and all it's using to achieve that is just shapes.
Mm-hmm. Just lines.
This is a terrifying gate, by the way. It's very cool how they were able to achieve it, but it's also terrifying. Like, this is just before you're about to enter hell.
There's definitely a warning there. Kind of looks like Bruce Wayne's gate.
You're about to enter hell after you go through this gate. This is what happens after you steal a TV from Walmart. That's and then you get run over by the car. This is the next thing you see.
This is the last stop there.
A gate in Vienna, Austria is an optical illusion. Utilizing a one-point perspective, it appears to extend back into space and makes it look like an actual wrought iron gate is much further down the path. Thanks to clever use of line and scale, it all sits on a flat plane. Yeah, it does kind of look like you're about to walk down the gate itself to the secondary gate.
Yeah. It has tiles here, I guess.
I love it. Why don't we see more of this? What is this? This is craft from a craftsman, is it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Very smart. I like it.
Yeah, I love it.